How to make a woman think of you, according to psychologists. Encouraging a woman to consider you involves more than resorting to gimmicks or corny pickup lines. It's about demonstrating that you're considerate, compassionate, and genuinely appreciate her as an individual. In this video, we'll delve into some advice on fostering a positive impression that lingers in a woman's thoughts. Whether you aim to initiate a fresh relationship or fortify an existing one, these suggestions can assist in establishing a connection that she'll remember fondly. 1. Pay attention to the little things. When aiming to leave a lasting impression, our focus often gravitates towards the grand gestures and standout moments. However, the true distinction, in most cases, lies in the attention to detail, those small nuances that truly make a difference. For instance, recalling her preferred coffee order, noticing the debut of a new piece of jewelry, or discerning through her facade of a fake smile when something isn't right, these seemingly minor actions signify your observant nature and genuine concern for her as an individual. This, my friend, is what women find most attractive. Consider it akin to planting tiny seeds in her mind, destined to bloom into positive associations with you. Remarkably, it's not about attempting to manipulate her perceptions, rather, it's a reflection of your character and the genuine value you place on her when you pay attention to these small yet meaningful details. 2. Be someone worth missing. Encountering someone who exudes kindness, intrigue, and genuine concern for others often sparks a desire to spend more time in their company, doesn't it? Now, let's delve deeper. If you consistently contribute value to the lives of those around you, making them feel seen, heard, and appreciated, it's inevitable that they'll long for your presence when you're not around. It's that straightforward. They'll reminisce about the meaningful conversations, shared moments, and the positive emotions you evoked. This is why becoming someone genuinely missed is a potent strategy in leaving a lasting impression and making a woman think of you. By prioritizing being the kind of person who enhances her life, she will naturally crave more time in your company. In your absence, she'll think of you fondly, reminiscing about the way you made her feel, the engaging conversations, and the laughter you shared. 3. Learn the art of being memorable. Being memorable entails leaving an enduring impression on someone that extends well beyond the initial encounter. It means standing out in their thoughts, lingering in their memory long after parting ways. When it comes to making a woman think of you, being memorable becomes a pivotal factor. Why does being memorable work? Consider this, women often encounter numerous men, especially in social settings, meeting new faces each time they go out. The more attention she garners, particularly if she's perceived as attractive, the higher the likelihood of being approached. To be the one she recalls after the night concludes, you must do something to distinguish yourself from the crowd. How can you achieve this? There are several approaches. Firstly, strive to be genuinely interesting. Engage her in a conversation about a topic that impassions you or share a unique perspective. A thoughtful dialogue that differs from the usual may increase the chances of being remembered. Another method involves exuding confidence and charisma. Women are drawn to men with confidence and charm. If you can make her laugh, bring a smile to her face, and create a comfortable atmosphere, she's more likely to remember you as someone enjoyable to be around. Lastly, you can be memorable by incorporating an element of surprise or thoughtfulness. Whether it's offering to buy her a drink or revealing a unique spot in the city, doing something unexpected in a positive manner increases the likelihood of being remembered as someone distinct from the rest. 4. Create emotional connections. Establishing emotional connections involves discovering ways to connect with a woman's emotions and evoke a sense of something special when she's in your presence. It's about forging positive associations and creating memories that she'll warmly link to you. One effective approach is to be attentive to her needs and genuinely engage with what she expresses. By listening and responding with empathy, you establish a connection that transcends superficial small talk. This demonstrates that you genuinely care about her as an individual and that she can confide in you with her thoughts and feelings. Another strategy for fostering emotional connections is to share meaningful and memorable experiences together. Whether it's embarking on a new activity together or engaging in a profound conversation over coffee, the creation of positive memories strengthens your connection, making it more likely that she'll think of you in a positive light. 5. The power of unpredictability. Our innate attraction to novelty and excitement can play a pivotal role in building connections. Unpredictability adds an intriguing element, keeping things lively and keeping her engaged. This approach is particularly potent when cultivating attraction. In practical terms, unpredictability might manifest in various ways, such as diversifying your conversations. Picture a day filled with lighthearted jokes, followed by a more serious and introspective tone the next. Surprising gestures, like unexpectedly bringing her favorite snack or sharing a funny meme, contribute to this dynamic. The key lies in maintaining an air of unpredictability without veering into inconsistency. The goal is to inject spontaneity and surprise into your interactions, steering clear of predictable patterns. By embodying this unpredictable spirit, you become a vibrant and exciting presence in her life. Anticipation builds as she looks forward to discovering what you'll say or do next, making her more likely to think of you even when you're not around. 6. The seduction in shared interests. It's a well-known fact that we're naturally drawn to those who share our interests and hobbies. Identifying a woman's passion and genuinely embracing it can forge a powerful connection between the two of you. Consider this: if both of you have a love for hiking, suggesting a joint hiking expedition not only provides an opportunity to spend time together but also signifies a shared interest. The more time spent engaged in activities you both enjoy, the stronger the positive association she'll develop towards you. Authenticity is crucial in this approach. Avoid feigning interest in something solely to impress her. If hiking isn't your cup of tea, seek out another shared interest that genuinely resonates with both of you. Using shared interests as a psychological strategy offers additional perks. It establishes common ground and fosters a deeper connection. This shared foundation provides ample conversational fodder, making her feel truly understood. My advice? Invest a little time in uncovering her interests. Whether it's a favorite TV show, movie, hobby, or sport, discover what resonates with her. If you find common ground, bring it up naturally in conversation, and witness the magic unfold. 7. The enchantment of emotional vulnerability. Expressing your emotions to someone signifies a level of trust and respect, showcasing your openness and honesty. This, in turn, fosters a sense of intimacy and connection that's undeniably impactful. Yet, it's crucial to approach this approach with sensitivity. The aim is not to impose your emotions on someone or wield vulnerability as a manipulative tool. Instead, concentrate on cultivating a genuine connection and embracing vulnerability organically. An effective method involves sharing stories or experiences that hold emotional significance for you. For example, recount a moment of fear or overwhelm, or share something that brings you immense joy or gratitude. By revealing these aspects of yourself, you unveil a different layer, fostering an authentic connection. This genuine connection has the power to make her view you in a more positive and meaningful light, potentially sparking feelings of attraction or interest. 8. The captivation of thoughtfulness. Essentially, this approach revolves around displaying genuine thoughtfulness towards the woman you're interested in. It transcends mere compliments or gifts, emphasizing a keen awareness of her needs and desires. For instance, if she mentions feeling stressed at work, you might propose a tranquil evening out or send her a care package filled with her favorite snacks accompanied by an encouraging note. Actions like these convey your genuine concern for her well-being and demonstrate your attentiveness to her needs. When someone feels genuinely cared for and valued, they are inclined to think more about the person who contributed to those feelings. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.